Have you ever wanted to create a double exposure effect like this? I will show you how in this video. So, the first things we need are two images. Open up in Photoshop the image that you want to use as the background, in my case, the girl pic, and apply a black and white filter to it by going on Image, Adjustments, Black and White. Next, let's bring in the other image. Putting the cursor among the forest image layer and the girl image layer, and clicking while pressing Alt or Option, we can put the forest in the girl's figure and move it as we like. Then, let's apply the black and white filter to the forest photo, just as we did before, and choose Screen in the blending options. Now, applying a mask to the forest layer, you can decrease the opacity of some parts of it using the brush tool or the erase tool. Remember to use the soft brush, with a small flow value. Now, after clicking on the girl layer, create a new adjustment layer. Make it affect only the layer below by clicking here, and then take the white check to the left to darken the background image. You can adjust the values as desired, but be careful not to compromise the image quality. Selecting the forest level and using the erase tool again, you can make the shadows stand out a little bit more. To do this, make sure to select white as the principal color. You can make some more adjustments like this to make the effect seem more realistic. Now, using the color that you prefer, create a solid color layer and place it behind all the others. It'll be the background of the final picture. And you're almost done. You'll just need to make some final adjustments if you want. Let's put a cool background behind the subject. And there you go. A stunning result, isn't that? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Photoshop videos, and thank you for watching.